Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. I had never imagined that I would hit 1,000 so quickly. It seems like yesterday since we've hit 100, and it's so cool to think that 1,000 people had hit that subscribe button. I can't even tell you how happy and excited I am, since once I hit 4,000 hours of watch time, I will be having my videos monetized, meaning I can bring out better quality videos. Just so you know, I'm not going to be hitting that really quickly because right now I only have 300 hours of watch time. So definitely watch through all of my videos so that we can get better giveaways, better quality videos, and them coming out a lot faster. But in other news, I will be hosting a giveaway for this to express my gratitude, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully the video will be coming out next week. So again, thank you guys so much. I love you all a ton.
Come on, oh my god, stop unsubscribing, y'all.
So I have to give a special shout out to my bestest sister ever, Victoria. She's literally the nicest person ever. She always comments first of all. She comments every single secret message that pops up in my video. She's the most relatable person ever on YouTube. She's just the greatest person ever. So she was also a huge part for me hitting 1,000. She was there when I hit it, and she helped me gain those extra 5 from 995. So thank you so much, girlie. I love you so much. So here are my weekly shoutouts. So shout out to you again, Victoria, Nora the Explorer, It's Me Sakara, and Naomi Watchred. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being such a loyal subscriber. If you want to get yourself a shout out in one of my next videos, just comment down below any of the messages that pop up in my videos. So that's enough talking. Let's just hop into the video. So I'm going to be asking Siri a random number, and those numbers will coordinate which slime ingredient it is. So we have 1, 2, and 3 basically, and there are going to be, I want to say, 5 total rounds. So it's going to be glue, add-ins, colors, scents, stuff like that. And Siri's just going to choose a random one. I'm going to add them into my bowl, and that's how Siri's going to make my slime.
You gotta earn it, don't mind just watching you hurt it.
So the first one is going to be Elmer's school glue, the second one is Elmer's glue all, and the third one is clear glue. For the first round, it's going to be the glue. Siri, choose a number from 1 through 3.
It's 2.
Okay, so it's a clear glue slime. First ingredient is clear glue, which I really wanted clear glue because I wanted to make a really pretty clear slime. Hopefully the color turns out purple because that would be so nice.
You gotta earn it, don't mind just watching you hurt it.
Color round number 1 is going to be some acrylic paint. I have it in the color turquoise. Number 2 is going to be metallic slime, so I'm going to be doing this gold color, which is so pretty. And for number 3, it's going to be food coloring. I'm using this really pretty neon purple. Next round is color, so Siri, choose a number from 1 through 3.
2.
2, which is gold pigment. Oh my god. I just dropped a chunk. That's enough, right? I'll add it more later.
You gotta earn it, don't mind just watching you hurt it.
For the add-ins round, the first one is going to be foam beads. For number 2, it's going to be glitters. So I have these, so we can make like a really pretty glitter slime. And number 3 is some clay. The next round is add-ins, so like glitter, clay, and foam beads. I'm aiming for either glitter or foam beads because clay is so not gonna look nice with a white glue slime, especially if it's gold. Siri, choose a number from 1 through 3.
The answer is 2.
2 is, yes, it's glitter! I was hoping for glitter. So I have these really pretty like confetti glitters in these really pretty iridescent colors. And the next ones are these really pretty, like very plain, but I think they're really cute. These are these white hexagonal glitters. Sprinkle some in there. Oh, those are pretty. I might add more later. No, cap fell in. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix in all of the ingredients. So I'm just gonna add in my normal activator, which is 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of warm water. So I'm just gonna add this in gradually, I know I added so much, until the slime begins to pull away from my bowl.
You gotta earn it, don't mind just watching you hurt it.
Hey Siri, choose a number from 1 to 3.
The answer is 3.
Okay, so it's a clear glue slime. Add in some of my glue. I'm hoping that this slime turns out really nice. The last one, I had some leftover glue, so that's why I used a smaller amount. So I'm just hoping that SIRI decides to be really nice and gives me a great slime, because I'm investing about 6 ounces of glue into this slime.
You gotta earn it. Don't mind just watching you hurt it. Keep trying, that just makes
A number from 1 through 3.
3.
Yay, so she chose the purple food coloring. I'm surprised. This slime is going pretty well according to plan. I'm hoping that it was purple, and it turned out purple. So
You gotta earn it. Don't mind just watching you hurt it. Keep trying, that just makes perfect.
hey SIRI, choose a number from 1 through 3.
The answer is 1.
Okay, so she chose foam beads. I wanted glitters, but this is still nice. We have some pink foam beads. I'm just gonna add a few just to like top it off. But I mean, purple, pink, it's a pretty good color combination, so I'm not worried. So I think that's good just to like top it off. Yeah, I think that was a little too much, but still it'll be enough so it looks real cute. So now we have like our basic slime idea, and I'm hoping this turns out pretty cute. Okay, I think I might want to add in a little more purple food coloring just so that's a bit more of a prominent purple. But I'm pretty happy with how it's turning out. So this is the final product before adding in some of my activator. It's this really nice purple with some pink foam beads. I think I'm going to add in some glitters afterwards off camera, or some Vimo slices just to make it look really cute. So it had been a good month since I had forgotten about this slime, so because of that it was a bit on the sticky side, so I did have some activator on hand with a little layer of that and some kneading. It turned out really nicely. I love the color combination. I can't believe SIRI actually did a pretty good job. So with some kneading, it turned out to be a little bit on the thicker side since I think I did overactivate it. But the issue was that the foam beads did bleed out, which I think was my fault because I had forgotten about it for so long, so the color kind of just faded off. But other than that, with a good makeover, this slime could have a really nice touch of creativity, and it'll look super cute if just adding some glitter and Vimo slices can really help give the slime a bit more character. But other than that, I really like it.